sounds so good. On this episode of Grassroots Garage, we have part 3 of the Unicorn series, Shane's Mitsubishi Evo 6.5 Tommi Makinen edition. Previous episodes of the Unicorn series were Cameron's 22B, and Mark's RS Cosworth.
Welcome to Grassroots Garage. We've got Shane. Shane, thanks for your time, mate.
Thanks, Pete.
Tell us about your car.
Yeah, well, 2000 model Tommi Makinen 6.5. Yeah, I've owned it for 4 years, just a bit over 4 years now. And yeah, enjoying it. Enjoying your cruiser, driving it every day. It's an everyday driver. So yeah, having fun.
And it's not stock.
Not stock, no.
A couple of things which we'll go through in a minute. The car history, go back to the beginning. What was your first car?
Oh, first car. It was a Toyota Corona Mark II.
Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah, old school 6-cylinder.
Yeah,
it was pretty good. Had that for a while, and then bought an RX4 sedan.
Yes.
So I had a 13B mild port in it, and I ended up putting a 13B turbo in it back in the 90s. So that was fun to play around with. Then I've moved on from that to I had an RX4 coupe. I had a Datsun 1200 Ute that was set up for a 12V turbo. I've had R33 GDR Skyline. I don't know, I'm a panel beater, so I've had a fair few cars.
A couple of cars over the years, nice.
Yeah, HG1 a tonner, the Blaine 350 Chev in it, yeah.
All right. Unlimited budget. What's this look like?
Unlimited budget?
Yeah.
Oh, mate. Well, seeing Mick's Evo that he just broke the Australian record. Baghdad. Yeah, I know. That's a different kettle of fish, and that's a street-driven 1300. I think it's 1300 or 1400 horsepower. Like, it's just crazy.
Out of control.
Just crazy. Yeah.
Isn't it? Yeah. So that's where you go, high horsepower.
Yeah. Well, I don't really want to kill this thing because it's been a TME. I want to sort of limit what I do to it. Maybe the next car. Yeah.
Keep this and then get like another one.
Yeah.
A beater and just off it.
Yeah.
All right. So unlimited budget again.
Yep.
You're keeping the Tommy. What else you got? What other cars would you have at home?
R34 GDR. That's probably my next venture.
Nice.
That'll be.
Okay.
Got to get it through. Got to get it passed with the wife first, but
yeah.
Got to get over building a new house with a new garage. So, and that's a triple garage. So,
there you go.
House. So I need.
Got to have it.
Got to have third. So yeah.
Mad.
Oh, funny story about buying the car because I flew to South Australia to buy it.
Oh yeah, nice.
And me and my dad, I flew my dad over South Australia together. Went and had a look at the car. It only just landed in Australia from Japan. It only been here 2 weeks, and went and bought it and drove it back. On the way back, coming across the Hay Flats, got booked by police. They basically just wanted to pull me over just to have a look at the car. But $780 later, hit a bit hard in the pocket. It wasn't,
Just bought it.
Yeah, just bought
just
it.
Just cost me another $700.
Yeah.
Import tax.
Yeah, import tax. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Because it's up now. So tell me what I'm looking at.
All right. We had it over at Mick's Motorsport recently, and got a set of new coil packs put on it. Got a new wastegate actuator. We went new Walbro 460 fuel pump. Yep. New Turbo Smart blow off. We've got a full 3-inch Nvidia exhaust all the way through stainless. It's putting out 232 at the wheels at the moment on a safe tune. Sort of maxed out the turbo, 22 pounds. So if I want any more, well, got to go turbo and manifold and that. We'll see how it goes. But it's been really good. I haven't had a drama with it. It's run the 85.
Oh yeah, magic. Yeah.
Yeah. So.
So if I popped an absolutely stock Tommi Makinen edition Evo, what's different?
What's different? You got your cold side piping. Has a different airbox, different hot side pipes. Everything else is pretty much the ARC heat shields different.
Yeah.
But everything else.
Titanium?
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah.
That's so cool, man.
Yeah. So everything else, and it doesn't have the coil packs. Obviously, it has a cover sitting on there. But other than that, yeah, she comes from Japan.
Perfect, man. So, it's such an iconic motor, isn't it?
Yeah. So the engine hasn't been cracked or anything. It's got running standard computer with the tune in it. So yeah, it's a fun car to drive.
See you, boys. Official cameraman for the day.
Yeah, boy. Grassroots for life.
You. We'll just go to Bondi first.
Yeah.
And then how nice is that? Feels real tight still, like really well put together. So if you chuck it right down this one,
It feels like everything's brand new.
doesn't it?
Does everything.
So why Evos? Why'd you grab an Evo?
It was sort of bang for the buck. Like, I was like, well, what else do I get? I've had rotaries, I've had GTRs, I've had V8s. I was looking for something that could, for 25 to 30 grand, that you can jump in, drive it every day, have fun. And this is it.
And
I've got
WRXs are dead.
Yeah, well,
What? WR what's?
WRX, yeah. Well, that's right, you know, like so, and able to get a 6.5, which is the pinnacle of the Evos. What better?
Yeah, I don't think anyone's going to argue with you, man. 6.5.
Mate, it's aggressive.
Yeah. Chuck a left. Yeah, it's going to be hard for someone to come up and say, nah, no. I mean, not a lot of guys love the 9s because it's the last of the true Evos, I think. But then everyone says, oh, whatever. I'm not getting involved in arguments about it.
Yeah. I like all Evos. So,
That's it, eh?
Yeah.
So no Rexies?
Nah, just never had a...
Chuck it right down this one. Never liked the Boxer?
No, I've not got nothing against them myself, but just didn't want to go down that path. Everybody's got one.
Yeah.
So that's the same as why I've got the GTIR as well. So
Yeah. We can't talk about the GTIR yet. We're keeping that a surprise.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, we can mention it a little bit. Like, it's hard to describe it to people. It's like, it's a weapon, but it's just so...
You can drive and you can be quiet.
Oh, mate.
You can just cruise in third gear. It's in third gear.
In the 1997 World Rally Championship, you had Tommi Makinen in the Evo 4. Carlos Sainz in the RS Cosworth. In the GT4 Celica. And Colin McRae in the mighty Subaru. Each round of the WRC was shown on TV, and it made the nightly news from time to time. World Rally was in its heyday, and Subaru was dominating. This was the 90s, and drifting was still underground. The 1999 World Rally Championship saw Tommi Makinen win his 4th Drivers' Championship in an Evo 6. Mitsubishi celebrated by producing the Tommi Makinen edition. So the way Pete sees it, the GT4 Celica is the only one missing from this, but I had to give him a friendly reminder about the Lancia Delta Integrale. So if anyone knows of one floating around, either the GT4 Celica or the Lancia, hit us up in the comments, we'd love to come check one out. Just a side note, Makinen won the Group N Finnish Rally Championship driving one of these Lancia Deltas in 1988. And his first WRC win came in the 1994 Ford Escort RS Cosworth.
That's it. That's it for this episode of Grassroots Garage with Shane's beautiful Evo. Shane, thanks for your time, man.
Thanks, Pete.
Also, massive thank you to Shane's brother Jason for the camera work. On a side note, Ruby Part 2 is coming soon. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to all the socials. Stay tuned for the next one.
Do my real arty little sweepy shots. Ryan likes them.
What does Ryan like?
Little sweet, like, you're gonna do spirit thing. Little art shots, little Ryan. Hello, Ryan. Those dirty, shaky, like I said. Good enough.
Give us those spirit fingers again.
Spirit fingers.
Okay, now spirit fingers, spirit fingers, and spirit fingers. These are not spirit fingers.